Good morning, kids. Welcome to today's English class. Kids, I hope you all are safe at your home and you all are enjoying the video classes that we are conducting for you. So, kids, today in our class, we are going to do with your main course book, and today we are going to discuss chapter 5. Then, what is the name of our chapter? Okay, take your textbook in your hand and take your pencil with you and underline the important words in our chapter. Okay, kids, let's begin our story. Kids, we know our India, our country is blessed with different cultures, and also our country, we know our country ruled by great emperors in ancient time. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, and I told you chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is To the Memory of a Lion. So in this story we are discussing about a great emperor Shivaji and his leader, his childhood friend Tanaji Malusuri. So kids, let's start our class, let's start our story. Okay, look in your textbook and underline the important words there. To the Memory of a Lion. Tanaji Malusuri was Shivaji's childhood friend and companion at arms. Tanaji Malusuri was Shivaji's childhood friend and companion at arms. So, I told you today we are going to study about the great leader Tanaji Malusuri, and Tanaji Malusuri was the great Emperor Shivaji's childhood friend and companion at arms. Companion at arms means a soldier in Shivaji's army. He was very brave and daring. So he was very brave. Shivaji proudly called him his Simha or lion. And we know Tanaji was very brave. That's why Shivaji called him Simha or lion. So Shivaji put a pet name to his childhood friend and to his soldier. What was that pet name? Name was Simha. In this story, Tanaji is at home in Umrata preparing for his son's wedding. So the first part we can see Tanaji is in his own home at Umrata, and he is preparing for his son's wedding. One morning, a messenger arrives from Raigad with an urgent message from the king. Then one morning, a messenger arrives from Raigad to Umrata with an urgent message. That means, one morning, a messenger came to Tanaji's house with an urgent message. Okay, we can check what is that message. He wants Tanaji to come back to Raigad at once. Then what was that message? The message is come from the King Shivaji, and the message is Tanaji want to go back to his Shivaji's palace. Tanaji asked his wife to postpone the wedding and sets off immediately. By hearing the messenger's message, Tanaji asked his wife to postpone his son's wedding. That means Tanaji was dedicated to his kingdom or to his king. That's why Tanaji told his wife to postpone his son's wedding, and he sets off immediately, and he prepared for his traveling. So he prepared everything for his traveling to back to the palace. Okay, my kids, I hope you understood the first section. First section we discussed that we know Tanaji Malusuri was a great leader at Shivaji's palace or Shivaji's soldiers army, and Shivaji called him Simha or lion because Tanaji was very brave. And the first term or first part, Tanaji was in his house at Umrata for preparing his son's wedding, and one morning a messenger came to there with a message from the king, and the message was Tanaji wants to go back to the palace. The king wanted Tanaji there. Then by hearing the message, Tanaji asked his wife to postpone the wedding, and he sets off. He prepared everything for his traveling, and he started journey to his palace. Okay, let's see for what Shivaji called Tanaji. Tanaji rode fast to reach Raigad fort, leading an army of horsemen. When he had reached the fort, He walked straight into Shivaji's room and found him sitting deep in thought. Then Tanaji rode fast to Raigarh fort. Then Tanaji rode very fast to Raigarh fort, leading an army of horsemen. When he had reached the fort, he walked straight into Shivaji's room and found him sitting deep thought. Then when Tanaji reached the Raigarh fort, he walked straight into the Shivaji's room and he found out that Shivaji was sitting there and he is in deep thought. Raj, I am here at your service, said Tanaji bowed. Then Tanaji said, Raj, I am here for your service. Oh, my Simha has come, exclaimed Shivaji. By seeing Tanaji, Shivaji became very happy and Shivaji exclaimed that, oh, my Simha has come. Oh, my Simha came here. Then now I am happy. Then he embraced Tanaji and said, come sit down. We have a difficult assignment. Then Shivaji said, come sit down. I need to talk with you. We had a difficult assignment. We had a trouble here. We are facing a trouble here. So I need your help. That's why I called you here. Ma Sahib feels that the other forts are not safe so long as we do not recapture Konada fort. Then what was the situation there? What was the difficult situation or what was the problem here? Ma Sahib means Shivaji's mother. Then Shivaji's mother feels that the other forts are not safe so long as we do not recapture Konada fort. Then Shivaji's mother, Ma Sahib, feels that they are not safe if they do not recapture Konada fort. So they are not safe if they do not recapture Konada fort. That means Konada fort is Shivaji's fort, but now it is in that fort is in another emperor's or another king's hand. Uday Singh Rathore is in command of the Mughal forces. His men are guarding the three gates. Then now, okay, kids. Then Konanda Fort. So Konanda Fort is in the arms of Uday Singh Rathore, and Shivaji saying that his men are guarding the three gates. Then that Konanda Fort is protected by Mughal Uday Singh Rathore's soldiers, and they are expanded in three gates. His sons are also with him, and not only the soldiers, his sons are also there to protect the Konada fort from us. All of them are brave fighters. The next thing is all the soldiers and the sons are very brave fighters. There is also the killer elephant Chandravati, and one more thing, not only the soldiers and the sons, one killer elephant is there, and what is the name of that killer elephant? Chandravati. So Chandravati is also there to fight or to protect the Konada fort from us. She is a force by herself. Then she is a force by herself. She is a force by herself means it is saying the power of that or the strength of that Chandravati elephant. That means the Chandravati elephant is equal to his strength or his power is equal to a small army. I have thought and thought but can't find a way of capturing the fort. You are the only one who may be able to find a way. Then Shivaji is explaining that I have thought and thought. I think about that, but I can't get a solution or I can't find a solution for this problem or for capturing the fort. And my friend, my soldier, my Simha, you are only the person to find a solution for me or to find a solution for this problem. You are only the person, I am believing you, you can find a solution for this problem. The lines deepened on Tanaji's brow. Then he spoke, I have a plan. So Tanaji listened carefully, and after that Tanaji has said that I have a plan. Yes, I have a plan. The fort is guarded only on 3 gates. We will try to enter from the west. Then Tanaji said, we know the fort is guarded only by 3 gates. In the 3 gates, the soldiers are there to protect the Konada fort. But why we can't enter to the western side? We will try to enter to the fort through the western side. Okay, my kids. Okay, we can move to the next page, page number 52. What? Shivaji sprang up. Enter from the west. You are not planning to climb that wall. It is impossible. Then Shivaji said, what? Then Shivaji sprang up and said, enter from the west. That means you are planning to climb that wall. It is impossible. We can't climb that wall because it's a very high wall and we human being can't climb up there. So it is impossible, Tanaji. Tanaji said, no, Raj, it is not the way I plan to do it. Then he then explained his plan to Shivaji in detail. Then Tanaji said, no. My plan was not to climb the wall, and then he explained his plan to Shivaji in detail. Let's check what was his plan. It's a daring plan, said Shivaji anxiously, and it will be difficult to pull it off successfully. Everything depends on just one thing. Then Shivaji said, okay, your plan is very daring. I don't know it became successful because in your plan you are depends on just one thing. You are depending only on one thing. That is your plan. Then I am not sure it will became success or not. Yes, it is difficult, Raj, but not impossible. Then Tanaji said, yes, I know it is difficult. My plan is very difficult and it is very difficult to work out. But it is not impossible. We will prepare well and we will succeed, Tanaji said confidently. Then Tanaji said, we will prepare. Our preparation, that will make our best in this plan. So we will prepare and we will succeed. Our preparation will make us succeed. So Tanaji said confidently, very well, go ahead with your preparations. Then Shivaji gave permission for his plan and Shivaji said, very well, go ahead with your preparations. Soon everything was ready. Tanaji called his friends and announced, tonight we attack. Then everything was ready, their preparation was over. So Tanaji called his friends and said, tonight we will attack that Konanda fort. It is a moonless night and nothing will be visible. Then Tanaji explained why he chose that night for his attack. Why? Because that night is a moonless night and nothing will be visible because there was no moon in that night. All of you must be absolutely silent as you approach Konanda fort. Then the one more thing that Tanaji gave, one more instruction that Tanaji gave, that all of you should keep silence when we approach that Konanda fort. I will take the iguana Yashwanti. Then who is the person? Who is the person? Then who is the person or who is the creature that here to help Tanaji? That is iguana. What is iguana? Iguana means a large greenish, grayish green lizard, usually found in United States and Mexico. So iguana. Then here the iguana's name is Yashwanti. So this is the thing that Shivaji said earlier, that everything depends on just one thing, and that one thing is here. One thing is Yashwanti here, that iguana. So Tanaji is depending iguana Yashwanti for attacking that Konanda fort. With her help, we will scale the wall, and with Yashwanti's help, Tanaji believed that he can scale the wall or he can climb the wall. Then he turned to Saryaji. You must take the rest of the men and wait at Kalyan gate. We will throw it open for you. Then he said to Saryaji, you need to wait at the Kalyan gate. When we climb up the wall, after then we will open that gate for you. So you and your soldiers must wait at Kalyan gate. Last minute preparations over, they marched to the fort as quietly as shadows. So after the last minute preparation, they marched to the fort as quietly as shadows. That much silent, keeping silence, they marched to the Konanda fort. In a short while, they reached the foot of the wall, and within a minute they reached the foot of the wall. Tanaji tied a rope to Yashwanti's neck. Then Tanaji tied a rope to Yashwanti's neck. Yashwanti means that iguana's neck. Then he threw her up hard so he could catch hold of the wall. Then what is the speciality of iguana? If the iguana speciality is if they catch anything, they can hold that thing strongly. Okay, it's very difficult to detach from the iguana from that thing. ഇഗ്വാന എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവരെന്തെങ്കിലും കീറി പിടിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതങ്ങനെ നല്ല സ്ട്രോങ് ആയിട്ട് അവരിയ്ക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവർക്ക് അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് അതിനെ ഡിറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട്. സോ ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ Tanaji choose iguana for climbing or for scaling this wall. Then Tanaji tied a rope at iguana's neck and he threw iguana very hard to the wall. Then what happened? But the iguana lost her grip and slithered down. What happened? But iguana didn't get the grip and he fell down. Oh, it's a sign of bad luck, exclaimed one of the soldiers. Then one of the soldiers said that, oh, it's a sign of bad luck. That means we will not win in this battle. Okay, my kids, this is our half section of the story. So today we can wind up it here. I believe you understood the first part of this story. The first part of today, okay, our story is about a great leader or a soldier in Shivaji's kingdom, and the leader's name is Tanaji Malusure. And Tanaji Malusure was Shivaji's childhood friend and one of the soldiers in his army, and he called Tanaji Simha or lion. Then the first section, Tanaji was at Umrata for his son's wedding, and one messenger came there, and the messenger said that the king is waiting for you, he need your help. Then Tanaji said postpone his son's wedding. That much he was very dedicated to his king and to his work. Then Tanaji reached Shivaji's Raigarh fort, and Shivaji explained the situation for what Shivaji called Tanaji there. And what was that? That means Konanda fort was Konanda fort was in the arms of Uday Singh Rathore. Then Shivaji's mother feels that they are not safe if they do not recapture Konanda fort. That's why we need to recapture our Konanda fort. For that, Shivaji called Tanaji there. Then Tanaji explained his plan. What was his plan? I have a plan, and we can enter through the western part of that Konanda fort. And for that, Tanaji seek whose help? That iguana's help. Tanaji choose a iguana, and his name is Yashwanti, for helping to climb up the wall. Then one more thing, in Uday Singh Rathore's army, there was an elephant, Chandravati. It's a killer elephant. So then Tanaji and his soldiers reached the Konanda fort, and Tanaji tied a rope at iguana's neck, and he threw up hardly iguana to the wall. But the first time, the iguana didn't get the grip and he fell down. Then the soldiers said it's a sign of bad luck. Okay, my kids, okay, I believe you understood the first part. Okay, the rest we will discuss in the next class. So now we can go through the important words in this chapter. Important word. The first one is companion at arms. Companion at arms means a soldier. He fought within the army. It's a soldier. Then second one, Ma Sahib. Ma Sahib means the queen mother. That is Shivaji's mother. Ma Sahib means here mother. Then a force by herself. Force by herself means so powerful and strong that she by herself is as good as a small army. Here force by herself means a powerful or a strong one. That's the meaning here. Then drill. Drill means practicing. Procedures and skills that the soldiers learn so they can fight effectively in battle. That means drill means practicing. Arms. Arms means weapons. Visible. Visible means able to see easily. Then iguana. Iguana means a large grayish green lizard usually found in North United States and Mexico. Then next one is slithered, slip on a loose of slippery surface. Okay, these are the new words we find in the first part. The later section we can do it in the next class. Okay, my kids, now it's your activity time, and your activity is First, read this chapter twice and underline the important words. Your second activity, your writing activity is, why do you think Shivaji called Tanaji his Simha? Okay. Why do you think that Shivaji called Tanaji is Simha or lion? Okay, my kids, this is your question for your writing activity. So, write a short paragraph based on this question and post it in your activity room. Okay, my kids, thank you for listening and watching me. Thank you.